and those who are joining us on the video link from Bangalore. My name is Raghuram Anantoj. I work as an IT program manager in Dell IT. Before we get started, I'd like to spend a couple of minutes on the session itself. This session will be an interactive session. This will be a two-way discussion thing. It's not just that I am doing the talking, right? During the course of the session, I'll be asking you a set of questions. Most of the answers for those questions will be in the form of a yes or no. For a yes, you have to raise your hands. For a no, no action required. And there could be one-word answers as well for those questions. There's one rule to this session, and that is you have to take a position on the questions I ask. Why do I say that? Leaders are anything but cats on the wall looking to jump both sides. It doesn't matter which side you take, but I want you to take a position on the questions I ask. Do I have your agreement?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. The good thing about this session is you don't have...
Are we sharing anything on the screen?
Yes, I am sharing the deck on the live meeting. If you can jump onto the live meeting, you should be able to see that.
We're not able to see anything on the live meeting. And I guess we also have a couple of people on the phone.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
Hello folks on the phone. So, you want to send Praveen? Okay, he's out. So who's on the phone on the bridge? Other than people on the video link? Can you just speak?
Yeah.
Can you just speak?
Some of them are on the video link, yeah.
Okay, all of you on the video link, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So let me restart the live meeting. Okay, I can see a lot of people now.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you all see my screen?
Not yet.
Okay.
Yeah, we can see now.
Okay, cool. So there's no one on the bridge who's not on the video link or in this room, right? Is that correct?
I guess so.
Okay, all right. Okay.
Yeah. Raghu, you've already dialed into the bridge, right?
Yes, we are on the bridge. Yes.
Okay, cool. Yeah, that's already started, yeah.
Okay. The good thing about this session, you don't have to agree with anything and everything I say. I just want you to think and reflect on what we talk here. And then I want you to take your own decision. If you are convinced about something in this session, you can do something about it. And if you are not, you know what to do with the unwanted. Right? So this is just an interactive session. The purpose of this session is A, to help you identify strengths, B, help you identify opportunities for growth, C, help you get on the path of conscious and continuous learning. Because that is the only way to realize one's true potential. Why do I say conscious? I have to do a bit of turning here and both sides, so you'll have to excuse me. Sometimes I could be facing my back to you, so apologies. Why do I say conscious? Unless we know where we are, we cannot get to where we want to. But if I am in Hyderabad, I should know where I am to come to High-Tech City office. If I call someone and say, I am in Hyderabad, I want to go to Dell office in High-Tech City, and I don't know where I am. Can you ever get there? So it's important to know what our strengths and areas of improvement are. And then you get to realize, or you get to choose You can all pick and choose on what strengths you want to build on. Every person is blessed with some strengths. It's a matter of identifying those strengths. The goal is to get better from the current state. Even at the end of the session, even if you feel 0.1% better than what you are now, we would have achieved our objective. There's no lofty goals for this. Plain and simple. Next slide. Thank you. Okay. I'm going to talk about elements of success and leadership, and then we'll get into some of those elements into some of the specific elements like creativity, antivirus, and then purpose and direction in life, hard work, in a bit more detail. The premise is, unless you are able to lead yourself, you cannot lead others. The path to success and leadership begins with leading self. Next slide. It's a very busy slide. Let me know if the link breaks, right? Focus on the video link. Sometimes, you may lose and I may, keep talking. It has happened a few times and then there's a disconnect. So, you all can see the busy slide?
Yeah.
Yes. The purpose of this slide is to convey that leaders are always people who are in the middle of a lot of things. They're always busy people trying to do a lot of things because they understand that time is a very scarce resource and they're trying to get most things done, and that's why they're in the middle of a lot of things. If you look at the elements, you see there's an outer circle and there's an inner circle. The inner circle forms the core of any successful person or a leader. If you look at the inner circle, you'll find be yourself. The world has produced many leaders, many successful people, but not even one duplicate. Learn from everyone, every incident, every experience, but always be yourself. The moment you lose your uniqueness or you try to be like somebody else, try to copy someone else, you lose that uniqueness. The essence of this creation is uniqueness. Imagine if all human beings were to look same. All vegetables were to look same, all fruits were to look same and taste same. How boring the world would be. Every person is blessed with some uniqueness, and you have to identify that and build on that uniqueness. That's the key message. And as long as all your actions are guided with right motives, this is the second half of the core of being any successful person or leader. You have to be yourself. At the same time, all your actions must be guided with right motives. The moment you deviate from the right motives, I'm sure everyone understands right motives, right? The moment you deviate from right motives, you could still become famous, but you'll be known for wrong reasons. Hitler is a very famous example. And then we have seen a lot of examples, even in India, even in Hyderabad, there's a lot of politicians and even some of the finest bureaucrats. There was a bureaucrat by name Sri Lakshmi. She was one of the top bureaucrats. She's in jail now for some, scams which she supported the former chief minister's cabinet, whatever. So, it is important to be yourself. At the same time, all your actions must be guided with right motives. To be on the path of growth. The moment you deviate from right motives, you will be on the path of degradation. You will be on the path of devolution. It doesn't matter. Some of the decisions you take may not give you the expected results. It's fine. All decisions you take may not give you the expected results. You may make mistakes, but as long as your intentions are good, you're acting with right motives, people will accept you for what you are. That is the non-negotiable element of any successful person and great leader. There's a lot of elements. To talk about these elements itself is a huge thing. Leader, in a nutshell, is someone who doesn't give up during tough times. A leader is someone who doesn't give in to temptations. At the same time, a leader is willing to accept his or her mistakes and is always willing for a course correction, if I have to sum it up in 2 lines. A leader is someone